All right, guys, we're talking about getting the motor on the engine stand. Already drained the oil, rest the coolant. Getting ready to get this exhaust manifold off, or header, so we can replace the freeze plugs. And clean the block, get ready for paint, get all the accessories off. We'll be bagging, tagging everything. Right, Scotty?
Yes, sir. Always, always, always.
Yep.
Sunday.
Sunday. Oop. That one's loose. Got one down here. Got that one loose. Loose. All right. Let's get that hose out of the way. Check on these.
I know we've
That
got a
one's
little
loose.
bag of... We're doing it.
Oh, that one's loose now.
Oh, and it's right now. The truck and the truck that got destroyed.
Truck got destroyed. All right, so I will get back to you a little bit more here when I get some more accessories off. Start showing seals getting replaced. All right, guys, got the header off, nice and easy. Working on the alternator.
Oh, look at you.
Out. About to start taking the brackets off. A little too close.
I gotta definitely do these freeze plugs. Look at this, Bernsey.
Oh, yeah.
Hey!
I don't know if they can hear you because I got my earpiece in.
Well, fine. I don't want to talk to you either.
But I'll get the thermostat housing, the hoses off, and I think water pump I'll take off.
Yep.
What's up, buddy?
And valve cover, too.
And valve cover.
And there's a secret under that valve cover. This thing's
There's
got
a secret underneath this valve cover.
non-stock rockers, baby.
Non-stock rockers. It's got a cam in it, correct?
Little baby cam.
Little baby cam in it. That little 66 stains in it, be fast.
For a I6 car, yeah.
Yep. All right, guys. Got a little more work done. Got the water pump off. About to pull the mark bouncer off. Valve cover.
Ooh, hold on. I want to
Oop,
be there for the
oop, oop. Give Bobby a second. And
I'm
we're,
sorry, I was saving an invoice.
don't forget about that, too.
Money!
Money.
Oh!
A little clean and scrubbing on the surfaces.
Oh, somebody went a little silicone nuts. I don't like that.
It popped off.
Ooh, you ready?
It's ready.
Are you ready? Let's move this. It's fine. I'm gonna monkey with this too. Oh, that's loose. I don't like that. Makes you spun the whole deal. Ready?
Yep.
Drum roll, please. Punch me.
Still.
There it goes. Get ready. Get ready. Some more nice stuff. Look at those, Jordan.
Ooh.
You got the goods. Scotty,
Yeah.
you want to see something nice? What's her name? This is why this motor is way better than the stock. Look at the goods.
Ooh, pretty. Scotty like a nut.
Yeah, adjustable valve train. Nice, huh?
Very
Beautiful.
cool. That is
See,
nice.
Jordan, when we told you, got you something a little nice. Got you something a little nice.
Yeah, we got a guy. We got a guy
Yeah.
that took care of you.
That's why we got a good deal. Look at this full roller. Be much
This will
better.
be so nice, all cleaned up.
Painted blue. And we're gonna do this valve cover. We're gonna
Now, are
clean
we doing this or are we doing the?
this one. I
chrome
just said
one?
we're doing this valve.
Oh, okay.
Scotty's old, everybody. He can't hear.
Huh? Who are you?
Where are we at?
What?
What?
Throw me doggy biscuits.
Where's my alcohol?
It's too early
Oh,
for that.
whoa.
Well, no, it's afternoon. I guess
Yeah.
you have a beverage. Oh, hey, look, your other car's here.
All right.
But there it is.
There we go. Next, we'll probably start working on the freeze plugs
Yeah,
here.
I'll knock those babies out.
Clean this all up. Get ready for paint. Also got to do the other side.
I think we'll paint it and then put the new freeze plugs in. I like that little bit.
Yeah, definitely be
And
nice.
we'll get the pan off too here in a minute. Go
All
check
right.
the bottom end. But yeah, look at this. Way better. Way better.
One more look.
One
One more look.
Hey.
How are you? This is
Good,
for
how are
Christmas. How are you?
Birdsie.
What's up, buddy?
All right, so we got the distributor out. We're at top dead center. You marked it. I marked it. We marked it together.
I mean, it looks good to me.
Yep. We're gonna pull this.
Pull this. I'm gonna get the oil
Get
pressure
the oil
sensor out,
out.
and then and I'm gonna get the balancer,
Bouncer
back off.
off.
And while you're doing those,
Yep. I'm gonna knock these out.
I'm gonna drop the pan.
Yeah.
So.
And then we'll check us a bearing and make sure everything's good.
Oh God.
And then give this baby a little clean up on aisle 5 or whatever aisle we want. Probably gonna pull the timing cover as well because I do want to check the timing set. Just being cautious. Ooh, FL1A, of course.
Ooh, upside down.
I put those on Mopars too because it's the same filter.
Is it really?
Yep, same part number.
Nice.
So I'll put the Motorcraft one because the material's better. And I bet it gets all like, people get butthurt about it. But guess what?
Dude, as long as it filters.
It filters better.
That's
And you
why-
can always buy the sticker. Remember like the sticker for the park lane?
Yeah.
It goes around this filter. So you can get the Mopar one. Or you can even rattle can it yellow or whatever color it's supposed to be. And
Whatever you're supposed to.
or it flops your mouth. But
Yep.
the Motorcraft
actually-
filters are far better. Anyway, so I'm going to begin knocking these out. This doesn't take long. And ironically, we did this on Jordan's other motor. And of course, it decided to eat the cylinder. So here we are. We get to do it again. Yay. But no big deal. So a little cleanup, little paint. I'll pull that out too.
Yes, sir.
It looks good though. I'm in love with these rockers.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah. This is why I told you you got a good deal, Jordan. Look at that. Artsy!